Hello friends, thank you for joining me again. This is Deepika from Fluid Art India. Today again we're doing a swipe technique. Using this cellophane to swipe the colors, and the colors that I'm using is Fevicryl white, this is pearl metallic copper and sky blue. Okay, so this is a 10 by 10 canvas. Let's start. My white, and I'll be mixing 2 drops of silicone in both the colors. Mix them really well. Get the shimmer. Let's pour the color. Then the sky blue, and my copper. I'm not pouring anything on this side of the canvas because then we will be swiping off this color. And then let's swipe the color. Wish me luck, guys. So I'm taking half of white this side and half of white that side. Let me get some space first. I left this part of the canvas. What I'm planning to do is I'm going to swipe this once again. Before that, I want to do something else. I'm using the same cellophane and swiping this side again so that we cover this part of the canvas. I'm going to roll the side. Cover this side of the canvas. I'm putting few drops of my metallic copper because I wanted to cover this side. This is okay, and I think there is small color which need to be covered this area of the canvas. So let's swipe it again by putting few drops of metallic copper. Alright, what do you think? Do you love the texture? I love it. So we're going to hold for a few minutes and then we're going to pop up the air bubbles and see the chemical reaction, see if the cells are popping up or not. Let's pop the air bubbles now and see if we get some cells. Wow, I just love that. What do you think, guys? Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel